morning paints the sky with golden light. I search for your smile before the world comes alive. Every heartbeat whispers softly your sweet name. Since you came into my life, nothing feels the same. Every dream begins with you, every road leads back to us. You're the melody my soul has always known, the only place my heart calls home. Hold my hand and never let me go, through the sunshine and the falling snow. If forever has a beautiful sound, it's the echo of our love all around. Every moment, every kiss feels new. My whole world begins with you. If love is written among the stars above, then our names are carved in endless love. The moonlight dances gently in your eyes, like 1,000 silent dreams across the skies. Every laugh you share becomes my favorite song. With you beside me, I know where I belong. Even when the storms arrive, your love keeps my hope alive. No matter where tomorrow leads, you're the answer to my silent dreams. Hold my hand and never let me go, through the sunshine and the falling snow. If forever has a beautiful sound, it's the echo of our love all around. Forever in your eyes. Every season wears your favorite shade, like the memories that time can never fade. When the rain begins to softly fall, I still hear your laughter through it all. The wind may carry stories far away, yet my heart returns to you each day. Every promise lives within my soul, because your love has made my spirit whole. You're the reason flowers bloom in spring, the quiet joy each sunrise seems to bring. If I had only one wish left to make, I'd spend forever with you, come what may. Stay with me beneath the evening sky, where our hopes and dreams will always fly. Every heartbeat sings your gentle name, burning like an everlasting flame. Every smile you give lights up my days, filling all my nights with warm embrace. If the stars should fade from heaven above, I'll still believe in our endless love. Time may change the world we know, rivers rise and seasons go, but one truth will always stay: I will love you every day. So walk beside me, heart to heart. Nothing in this world can keep us apart. You're my song, my dream, my brightest light, my forever love, my heart's delight. Forever in your eyes. Every morning starts with thoughts of you, like the sky begins with shades of blue. Your gentle touch is all I need, a quiet promise, a faithful deed. When the world is loud and days are long, you become my hope, my sweetest song. Every dream I hold, every prayer I say, carries your love with me each day. If the oceans stretch beyond our sight, I'll still find you by the stars at night. No matter where this life may lead, your heart is